welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold trading for next week, your gold trade. So I am in Forex Factory website. So Fed Chairman calls in inflation too high and warns that we are prepared to raise rates further. So yesterday, last Friday, was a speech US Chairman, Central Bank Chairman Powell's speech, and that was, he mentions that we are prepared to raise rates further. That's the hawkish comments from the Federal Reserve American Central Bank. You can see I am in the Fed Watch Tool website, so you can see September forecast, what is the rate, interest rate going on. So I am going to the September, that is 80% probability to the interest rate pause in 5.5. 5.5 is the current rates. So after speech, Powell's speech was held in yesterday, you can see the November forecast. So that's the Fed Watch Tool November forecast. That's the, you can see 46% forecast to interest rate hiking 25 bps. So that is the interest rates regarding. So yesterday dollar demand with this Powell's speech. So I am moved to the gold chart. You can see this movement yesterday, price dropped to the this 1903 1904 to the from 1920. So that is the reason Powell's hawkish speech and interest rate hike again if necessary. That is the Federal Reserve sides mentioned. That is the hawkish from Federal Reserve. So that is the movement of gold chart. So you can join my accurate gold trading signals analysis. Telegram link is below. You can join with. So that is the economic data. So next week September 1st economic data, most volatile economic event is non-farm employment change. If you are trading gold, if you are trading USD pairs, that you will touch with economic data. Without economic data you can't trade gold. So that's the non-farm employment change is previous 187. That's the forecast is 169, that the Federal Reserve will hope that this figure will drop to 169. That is the forecast. This you will touch with this non-farm employment change and unemployment rate also 3.5 and average hourly earnings. So this economic events next week September, that's the you will touch with this economic data. So non-farm employment change will be increased about 200, like that. That's the gold dollar demand and gold drop. That's my expectation. So let's move the technical analysis for your next week trading. So I am in 4-hour chart. You can see this yellow color zone I am mentioned. This is the most volatile zone, that the 1903 1905 level. So you can see price is dropped to that level yesterday, then dropped to the next level and going to the upside again. So I am hoping this is this sell zone. This is the sell zone. This sell zone price will not react to this sell zones like that. If the price will react to this zone like this and drop again and drop again. That's my first opinion in next week. So that's the, I have another option. That's the, you will touch with the economics data, what is going on. That this is this sell zone. So I am marking this sell zone. Price will not active. Sellers are not reacted to this sell zone. This is like this, and price this not reacted to this sell zone like this and drop again and go to the upside. That's the gold will be upside. So that's the two options. That's the non-farm employment change will be positive about 200. That's the affected from gold sell-off. So then, and that's the this moment in Federal Reserve American Central Bank side is the hawkish. That's the hawkish reason for gold sell-off. That's the two reasons. That's the more reason for sell-off gold. And I am thinking this zone 1903 1905 zone is not react to the price go to the upside. The more chance to drop again price. This level is 1890 is my next target. So that's the I am hoping next week. So price will drop and reacted this again and drop. That is the my option, my analysis for next week. So this is, you can see this support, this is the maximum pain level. So 1902 1905 level, this is the maximum maximum pain level. And this buy zone not active with the bias. This is the buy zone I have mentioned. This buy zone not active with the bias, and you can touch with this zone and go sell off to the below side. So I am hoping next week price action is the with the technically this is the price action next week and active and sell off. So that is the hoping, and market is always changeable. I am update with my Telegram group, so you can join with it. Get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmation. Money management, risk management is the key for trading. Gold is the more volatile pair. You should trade with the risk management. So thank you very much.